Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel CapTech Pro. In this video demonstration, I will show you how to get all Active Directory users list with details such as when the user was created, the last changes we have made on that user, and last login details of user. So guys, we will perform this task by using PowerShell. So guys, before we proceed to our lab environment, let me show you guys the commands which we will perform on our PowerShell. The first command is get AD user filter properties, select name when created, when changed, last login date. This command will basically tell us all the users inside our Active Directory, when they were created, when we made changes, and last login date. In the second command, you can see we are using one parameter, auto size. The auto size parameter will reduce the column width to minimize the truncation. Third command will help us to save details of our users inside our drive. So as you can see, we have given the path cusers.txt. Basically, it will save the details in the format txt. Last command we will use to get the Active Directory user details in a grid view. So we can apply the filters and we can see the details of our users. So guys, for this demonstration, I am using the domain controller. So without any delay, let's jump to our domain controller and we will perform the following task. So guys, as you can see, now we are on our domain controller. Before we execute commands on PowerShell, we will open Server Manager. We'll click on Tools and we will click on Active Directory Users and Computers. On Active Directory Users and Computer Wizard, we will click on captechpro.local. We'll expand this. As you can see, we have OU accounts, compliance, we have multiple OUs. Let me show you one OU. Let us click on accounts. For this demonstration, I have created only few users inside our OUs, but in production environment, you will get 2000, 3000 users. So guys, let me show you if you have to see the details of any single user. So for that, you have to click on view, select advanced features. Now again, click on accounts, right click on Fred, click on properties and click on attribute editor. On attribute editor, if you want to see when the user was created, and this was the time when Fred user was created. This is the date. At this time we have made the changes on Fred. This is the first method to view the details of any user. So now I want to view details of all the users. So for that we have to go to Windows PowerShell. First of all, we'll close this. We will click on Start and now we'll click on Windows PowerShell. On Windows PowerShell, we will execute our first command. Okay, so this is our first command. To execute this command, we will press enter. Okay friends, so as you can see, it is showing our users Henry, George, Rachit, Happy, Fred, and you can see when they were created, when we made changes, this is the time, and last login date. As you can see, this is the date and this is the time. Okay friends, so now we will execute our second command. Okay friends, so this is our second command. As you can see, we are using the parameter auto size. This parameter adjusts the column width to minimize truncation. So we'll press enter. Okay friends, so we have successfully executed our second command. Now friends, we will execute our third command. Okay friends, so this is our third command. This command will save the details of users in the text format inside our C drive. So we'll press enter. Okay friends, so now this command is successfully executed. Now we'll go to C drive to see the txt file. So we'll open my computer. On local C drive, we'll click on users. We will click on administrator. And as you can see, we have received the text document file. We will double click on this. We have received the details of users in txt file. And this file is safe on our server. So we will close this. And now we will go back to our PowerShell. And now we will execute our last and final command. Okay friends, so this is our last command. This command will give you a grid view of users information. So we'll press enter. We will maximize this. And as you can see, we have received the grid view of our users. As you can see, the name of users, when created, when changed, last login date. If we have so many users inside our organization, we can add the criteria. Say for example, if I have one user, Fred, I want to search him in the list of 2000 users. So I will click on add criteria. I will select name and we will click on add. Now I will enter the name of our user, which is Fred. And as you can see, we are now able to see details of only Fred. After viewing the detail, we can click on clear all. So we will be able to see all the details of our users again. So friends, that's all for this video demonstration. By performing these commands, you can get all Active Directory users list. So friends, that's all for this video demonstration. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.